In example 1, we're going to solve the equation negative 13 equals 5 times 1 plus 4m minus 2m. For each equation that we're going to solve, we're going to follow the same 7 steps. The first step asks us to simplify the left side of the equation. So if we are simplifying, we're looking to see if there are any like terms to collect. So in this equation on the left side, the only thing that's there is a negative 13. So there's nothing to simplify, so we can go ahead and check that off the list. The next step asks us to simplify the right side of the equation. So right now, we have on the right side 5 times 1 plus 4m minus 2m. So I've got some simplifying I can do. So the first thing I want to do is distribute the 5, which gives me 5 plus 20m minus 2m. I'm going to go ahead and bring down what was on the left that we didn't simplify. So now, again, see if there's anything else that we can simplify. So I have a variable term and a variable term. So I can combine those, which gives me 18m. So I'm going to rewrite everything. So negative 13 equals 5 plus 18m. So I've got everything simplified on the left, everything simplified on the right. So I'm going to check off task 2. So step 3 says to draw a vertical line through the equal sign. So this would represent a balance, telling me that the left is equal to the right. So step 4, now that we're done with 3, is asking us to label one side of the vertical line V for variables and then number for numbers. So looking at this equation, it looks like on the right side, we already have all of our variables. So I'm going to label this side my variable side and the left side my number side. So done with step 4. So step 5 is asking us to get all the variable terms on the V side and all the numbers on the number side. So already have all the variables on the right, so I need to move the 5 from the right to the left. So to move the 5, I'm going to subtract it, which 5 minus 5 equals 0. So I'm left with 18m equal to negative 18. So now I'm done with step 5. Step 6 says to solve, so all I have to do to get m by itself is divide both sides by 18, which leaves me with negative 1 equal to m. So to finish this problem, I want to make sure that my answer is right, so I'm going to use a table to check it. So using my graphing calculator, in y1, I'm going to enter the left side of my equation, negative 13, and then on the right side, 5 times 1 plus 4x, close my parentheses, minus 2x. And go to my table, and we said the answer should be negative 1. So if I scroll to when x equals negative 1, I can see that my output values are the same. So that's telling me that my answer is right. So the solution is m equals negative 1.